Hi, this is Veena from VPN Pages. I am here with Meera Maikata. First of all, I would like to thank Meera for giving this opportunity to share our poems and our thoughts. I am here to share my first poem, Peace. Peace has a different definition for people. Feel peace in your heart and healing in your heart. Let me start my poem. Peace is when mother gives birth to a child. Peace is with cold and mild touch of a baby. Peace is when your baby opens eyes with a blink. Peace is to feel the first bite while sucking her first milk. Peace is when you go on moonlight trekking. Peace is when you listen to the rivers flowing. Peace is when you reach top of the mountain in the morning. Peace is when you see boiling tea with the sun rising. Peace is when your mind listens to your heart. Peace is when you dance with the rhythm of your art. Peace is when you let go a person who is no more yours. Peace is to forgive and let your soul adore. Peace is when people put across the differences and bloom the love. Peace is when you feel purity and affection just like Adam and Eve. Peace is when one's heart is accepting another soul as a whole. Peace in the world will happen only when I have peace in my soul. Thank you. Today I have come with a small poem. You would have heard beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Let's see what it is. Enjoy listening to me. As she sat on a sand dune, there was nothing for her in the desert except him. She finds emptiness, absolute silence, left with breeze, gleams of sunshine, clouds floating across the desert sky. Her heart throbs for him, and she whispers to the swift slipping sand, "Present moment is my lifeline." When he looked at her through the lens of the camera, draped in sari in the middle of the desert, deep within her eyes, he saw womanhood arise, chin up with pride and sitting like a queen, his arrogant soul shattered, exploring her inner silence and simplicity, boldness and elegance, and beauty with attitude. He murmured to his camera, "A girl's complete beauty cannot be portrayed in greenery as it does in desert. She is overshadowed by the Creator's gift of bold colors of woodland. Desert, being orangish brown in color, can reveal naked sensual beauty of a girl without revealing her skin, but by only showing her nature of simplicity and elegance, bold and gorgeousness, and beauty with attitude, all at the same time. It's not men's eye that makes her sensual and beautiful. It's grace and attraction of nature's influence on girls' outlook. Nature and girls are as contrast to each other, yet complementing colorful spirit. Friends, beauty of a girl and nature lies in the eyes of the beholder. So this thought gets a conclusion that beauty is valued by the feel of kind nature. Inner beauty of a girl is just like a desert, very calm and silence, left with kind nature, which gives you peace and joy. And outlook of a girl is like a greenery with pleasant colors, yet distractions to the eyes of the beholder. Just like this. Now it's left to the beholder. How does he look at beauty? I hope you have enjoyed my poem. Thank you so much. Namaste. I have written one poem about soulmate, Bridge to My Soulmate. They usually say it's a soulmate is a person with whom we have an immediate connection the moment we meet. The connection that we have never experienced before. As this connection develops, The experience of love is so deep, so strong and complex that you will start doubting if you would have ever loved any person truly. Now let's listen to the poem.
When our eyes first met through the lens ball, we were in conversation with our souls. Though our paths are different direction of the bridge, but journey of our lifespan ends at same edge. Miles apart, I can hear rhythm of your attention that dissolves in my blood as care and affection. The waves of your love pours out from your emotions, passes through me to the world of adoration. Unspoken words are flowing from our eyes that are musical with identical rhymes. Brown and black iris are so contrasting to form the essence of eternal connection. The soul that hides within our heart, no distance can prevail them to spark. Loving your soul is so pure and right. This feeling keeps me alive day and night. The eternity journey has started to merge your footprint through existing of mine. I stretch my arms towards you every night. Grab me inside you and let our soul unite.
Hi friends, I hope you have enjoyed my poem. Now soulmate has different concept. According to Theosophy, God created male and female soul equally. They incurred karma while playing on the earth or separation from God. After few reincarnations, they get united. According to New Age, soulmate is a separate entity where they believe it's a person with whom they spend lifetime. It can be friends, it can be co-worker, it can be partner, it can be husband. But whatever it is, I feel we should have one soulmate to share our feelings, to share our wishes, to share our happiness, everything.